What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another freaking video, man. And I bought something real special. And you probably can see it already. You probably saw it by the title. But guys, I finally did it. Finally manned up and bought a good old pit bike, man. You see her back here? Oh yeah, look how tiny she is. Even though it's too shook, she'll do what I want her to do. But, what are you doing?
Freaking cute it is.
Thanks. And we gotta stop by O'Reilly's tomorrow, and I'll pick y'all tomorrow whenever. Yeah, to get some spark plug, carb cleaner, get some not gas, but some oil. Yeah, the carburetor he put on it was from the guy that got it. He got some old, who knows what it was, some piece of junk. And then the stock carburetor looks mint. I just gotta fix the old junky carburetor, put the new carburetor in, or put the new stuff in the old thing. Anyway, but yeah, so let's get into the montage of trying to fix this.
Okay.
Is it recording?
It's recorded.
Okay, I gotta do it with spark plug. Oh man, we're gonna need spark plug.
Do you have a spark plug?
No, you got a wire, bro? Maybe. Not really. Who knows? That's bad. Well, it looks like we need spark plug. Just about every essential. You know what I'm saying? What is up, guys? As you can tell, it's another day. It kind of got dark when it got dark, and now it's another day. And we went to O'Reilly's, got some oil. We went to go look for spark plugs. They have no spark plugs. So what we're gonna do is we're going to, or we went to AutoZone. They had some spark plugs, so we got spark plugs. And this ain't should run mint. I cleaned the carburetor last night, so y'all were mint to clean. And we'll go up here and get the oil pan. So we can put the oil in the oil pan, you know what I'm saying? But yeah. Oh, she's a little ransom. She's a little ransom. Alright, let's get this oil pan loaded up. I should be able to pour in there without spilling everywhere. Don't you think? I think so too. Ugh. I think I'll be alright. It's just right there, you know what I mean? I should buy FMF for this thing, dog. It was sick. That would be pretty gnarly. I was gonna say sick, but I decided to say gnarly instead. Oh, I gotta take off the big old, whatever you call it, the, oh, I done spilled it. Oh, we're good. I literally just said, I should be able to pour in there without spilling everywhere. Don't you think? But, yeah. I need to take off the, okay, stick this back in there. Put that, spark plug in. Forgot to put it in there, but, we'll put it in right now. Don't worry. Don't worry. Hey, man, I'm so bad at putting these dipsticks in. Dipstick. Yeah, you dipstick. I should have not bought 2 quarts. I have like more than half left, and I ain't even pour that much. I don't even know how much is supposed to be in it. Oil. 650 centimeters. Centimeters? I don't know. I'm just gonna leave it like this. Says she's full, she's full. Wow, look how mean. I wonder what this needs to be gapped at. I'm not gonna stick her in anything. She needs to be gapped? I don't know. I will know she needs to be gapped. I clean these sockets off. Sockets off because they're a little dirty. I like them dirty. I just bought them. So I'm hallucinated. I know that. Oh, come on. Is this the wrong size? Can't be, man. Can't. Oh. I think it is the wrong size. I don't want to break this part like that. That'd be bad. Oh yeah, there we go. What? Oh, you gotta push that. Hey, shut up. Shut. No, I did not just hiss at you. Oh, I'm loosening it. I know my right's from left. Trust me. We're good. It's just not coming off. Ah. I hate these things with them magnets and all these. Is this the wrong spark plug? Can't be. You're telling me. So come to find out, it's the right spark plug, but it just got the wrong handle. See, it's supposed to be like that, but it looks like that. Go ahead and pull it out and I'll show you. See? I need to like take it. Can I like take it off? I wonder if I can take it off. See? Close up view. See how this is like that and that's like that. If this was off of it, then it'd work. But how are you supposed to take it off? What do you even call this thing? Like, oh, let me get a pair of pliers and let's see if I can get her off of there. Probably gonna break the spark plug, but oh well. It's only $3 for a spark plug. No. I knew that. Hey, shut up. Shut up. Bro, I knew that. I was literally fixing to take these back and just like put this one back in it, but she's a little worn out. But dude, hey, shut. Shh. We don't talk about it, okay? We just don't talk about it. Oh my, dude. Why am I so dumb, bro? Oh, dude. I didn't know you could do that. Oh my. Dude, that's a lifesaver, dog. Literally a lifesaver. Like, you just screw it on, and you screw it off. Bro, how rebellious is that? Dude, I about had a heart attack, dog. That scared me, man. I was like, no way. I got the wrong spark plug. Dude, this is just... Yeah, it don't even fit on this one. Oh, I see why. It's because it's stripped out. Stupid spark plug. Dude, one little piece. One little piece. I didn't know you could do that though, man. Well, now I know. So, put this back in the box. Or this old one back in the box because I don't need it. I'll throw it away whenever I get a chance, which will probably be never. Probably sit up there with all the rest of my spark plugs. But who would have thought? And who would have knew? Who would have knew? Well, guys, P-Dub80. Yeah, that's what it is. I just literally got done with this and I didn't film an outro, so I'm gonna film an outro right now because why not? You know, it's been 3 days now, and we ordered it, the carburetor for it, because we couldn't get it started. We did get it started, but we couldn't get the air and fuel mixture right, or the other thing, because it was a Chinese piece of junk carburetor. Which I did a lot of research on it, and they are not very good for some reason. And so the original carburetor that was on it, he gave me it, and it's broken. He broke it because that guy didn't really know how to do a carburetor right. But yeah, we ordered a new carburetor, and if you did like the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you did enjoy, hit that subscribe button for more future vids. You know what I'm saying? We'll have more P-Dub content, more pit bike content. I still gotta get a thumbnail for it, but I'll probably find one eventually. But more content for that, and we will be great and good to go. And I might just start filming on this if I can get a microphone for the GoPro, because right now I bet this audio is pretty bad. But hey, it is what it is. But yeah, peace out, how it going? And we'll do some more pit bike content. Wait. I didn't even wait, but yeah. Peace out, how it going? And goodbye.